Lincoln.
I don't encourage him to do it.
No. Hello. Hi.
Is that your book? Oh, what's in there? Is that a little mirror? Can you see yourself? Where's Lincoln? Where's Lincoln? Is he in there? Yep, it's still the same book. I think there's another page there, Lincoln. Look, there's another page. Is there?
Mm-hmm.
Oh! It hasn't got a mirror on it there. Ta, you want me to put that over the dry? No? Still using it?
No.
Oh, okay then. Ta. Thank you. Ta, little lobster. Boat. Thank you. Very good. You have a little play before we get you out? Are you ready to get out already?
You're silly. You're silly. Lincoln. Careful. You don't want to hit your chin.
Sit down properly. Yeah, good boy. Ta. Why do you want the boat back? You want boat? Boat? No. Big lobster? No. Little lobster?
No.
No. What about book? You want book back?
No.
No, not even book with the mirror in it.
No.
Okay.
No.
Still not ask.
Lincoln. Lincoln. No.
Ow.
Lincoln. Lincoln. Foot down. I'm laughing at Daddy, not you. Sit down.
Sit down properly, please. On your bum.